How many news do you have?
Wait a second.
Somebody take department, DOJ.
Yeah, we have a theory.
I have 4 members with me.
Wonderful. No, do not let anybody move from there. I'm at the south gate.
10-4.
The wizard is here. Wait.
I want to see people engage. Southgate as well.
Hey, Jeeks.
Yeah.
Abdul, come back.
Unison. We have enough units.
Maybe I remember you. You just drove to the... Can you hear me now? I told you just
Safe,
drove
I
to
give you
the...
permission if you not.
Yep, welcome mate. Welcome bro.
No, what I've done depart.
Good job, boys. Good job. I love you.
I command, please. I command, take the department.
Don't take it. EMS. Oh, wait. DOJ, take department. FIB is asking. DOJ, take department.
Tell me. You see this guy? Stupid guy? Where's your serious? This guy. White t-shirt. White t-shirt. Yes.
Wait, I'll give you.
Leo, come here. Don't go another. Rumi taking department of EMS.
Are you guys
What
hiring?
do you want?
Trying to join Air Force.
Mohit, how copy?
One second. Hello, we are actually there's some situation.
Andrew.
So just come after the situation, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Leo, come inside.